This is unusual because I don't make these kinds of videos. I make art videos. I'm here with my fiasco of a scooter. Sorry, my camera has got a mind of its own. Yeah, I'm here at the Angel Stadium parking lot, and I'm taking advantage of the space and doing some practice. I am following the MotoJitsu app, which I really like. And then what I'm kind of doing is I'm just picking one exercise. I know there's usually like a few in the app. Like I think the first belt is like 3 turns, slow cone weaves. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of picking one of those and then sticking to it for like an hour. So today it's just turns. So I'm just doing all the turns that I can without getting dizzy. So kind of go in a straight line. I'll pretend like something's a left lane, and then I'll kind of instigate a left turn. Same thing with the right. I'm trying to spend equal amount of times on each side, each turn. I notice U-turning with the right is kind of wonky. I mean, I can do like a 90-degree turn going right, but when it comes to like a loop, I don't know why, it's just so weird for me. I think it's because of the throttle, so I'm just going to keep practicing that. And yeah, so I'll just kind of show you some of my videos, just kind of what I'm doing in the lot. There's still people here working, so I'm trying to keep my distance, but yeah, enjoy. Down way too deep. This is scary. You're in a parking lot, you got crash guards. So it's at the 5-second markers when it hits power. Better. Definitely much different when you're on a scooter than a grown. Because I was, not understanding. Go straight, turn, straight, turn, straight, turn, so, because you can't get anything done if you practice it all at once, you know? It's late now, but that was pretty much my evening. I went out about like 6, and then I wrapped up about 7, almost 7:25. Not quite 7:30, but yeah, it was fun. I have a lot to learn. I'm gonna just keep doing turns. It was nothing formal, so I apologize if I wasted 20 minutes of your time, but I like posting these. I think it'll help others. I'm not perfect. I'm a complete noob. As noob as you could get. But I am right now able to like ride on certain streets, not all streets. So I just need to get comfortable, and then hills and downhill, I'm kind of nervous. There's a really big street on my city that I'm gonna try and tackle, and if I can tackle that, then I can tackle anything. So I'm watching SpongeBob right now, so I'm gonna go and watch my show. But thanks for tuning in.